Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to give you an update on my David Austin roses. And I'm going to start right here in the greenhouse because I have a couple of David Austin roses that I'm keeping in here. I'm excited to show them to you because a lot of them are getting ready to bloom. This first one is Carding Mill. And it's got several blooms on them. This one even has a ladybug on it. And ladybugs are supposed to be one of those bugs that are healthy for your garden, so I'm going to leave them alone. And the next one is Charlotte. And Charlotte looks really healthy with a lot of blooms getting ready to pop. I think this one will probably open first. I'm out here in the garden next to my rose section. I have about 35 roses, both inside the greenhouse and also out here. And I'm going to show you which ones are getting ready to bloom. So to give you an update on how the aphid problem is going, I had to spray several times to get it under control. I pretty much have it under control. I have a few still, but I'm keeping an eye on the roses to make sure that it doesn't get full blown. I'm happy to report that we have the first David Austin rose. This is Darcy Bussel. So this is the first rose for the spring season that's blooming. This is Darcy Bussel, and Darcy Bussel has this one, and this one that will be blooming soon. Next to Darcy Bussel is Heritage, and Heritage is going to be blooming too. It's got a lot of flowers on it. Look at that. This is the Mill on the Floss. This is a fairly new rose as well. I planted this last year, and it did bloom last year. And it does have some rose that will be blooming too. This is my Lichfield Angel, and this is one of my newer roses as well. But it looks healthy. It does have a ways to go. Over here is Munstead Wood. I bought this a couple of months ago, and Munstead Wood has several blooms on it that will be coming. There's one there, and there's one there, and it looks really healthy. Oh, there's two more over here, and one more over here, and actually there's one more over here. So this is going to have several flowers on it. This is Jude the Obscure, and it does have flowers on it too. And Jude the Obscure struggled last year. It looks like it came back this year, and it looks really healthy. One of my favorite roses. And this is Scepter the Isle. And this rose looks really good also. It does have a ways to go before it blooms. And next to it is Wild Eve. And Wild Eve is one of my favorite roses in this garden. And it does have some flowers that will be coming soon, but it does have a ways to go. It looks really healthy. And right here is Bathsheba. It's one of my climbing roses. And this is the one that struggled a lot with aphids. And I'm keeping an eye on this to make sure that I check every day to see how it's doing. But it has flowers too that will be coming soon. There's one right there. This one here is the Alnwick rose. Yeah, this one's beautiful too. And it's got flowers there that will be coming soon. One right there. One more there. So it's got several of them. And this looks really healthy as well. This is the Pilgrim. And the Pilgrim is a climbing rose. And I didn't know that at first. And I didn't pull it out. I'm just going to watch to see how it does here. And probably eventually move it somewhere where it could climb. But I've had this probably for 3 years now, and it has bloomed and done well in here. And this is the Queen of Sweden. It's another beautiful rose, and it looks really healthy, and it's got some little blooms there that will be coming too. And right here is the Golden Celebration. Look at this. It is going to bloom too. Look at that. Very healthy. Next to Golden Celebration is Graham Thomas. And it's got some blooms that will be coming as well. This looks really healthy. It's got some flowers on there. Coming too. This is the back of Heritage, and I just noticed that it's got one flower right here that's almost coming and open soon. It has a lot of flowers on the back. I just showed you the front, but back here it's got some flowers that are hiding. And this is one of my new roses, Princess Alexandra. It's got a couple of flowers that will be blooming this season. And last but not least is the Ancient Mariner. And it does have a flower on it and does look healthy too. Yeah, this is going to be great. So besides David Austin roses, I do have a few roses that are not David Austin roses. And they are Weeks roses, and I don't have the names of them, but they are also getting ready to bloom. This one right here is a yellow rose, and next to it is a rose that I got from Napa Valley, and I believe it's called Candy Cane, but it's got a lot of bloom on that one. I do have Lincoln right here, and then I can't remember the name of this one, but I do have a few that are sprinkled here and there that are not David Austin, but the bulk of my roses are David Austin roses. And I'm going to give you an update on these ones as well when they bloom. So that's it for now. I will give you some more updates in a few weeks as soon as I get more blooms. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please remember to subscribe. See you guys next time. Bye-bye.